Hello and welcome to Oliveboard. I hope all of you are well. We at Oliveboard have come up with the series called Word of the Day, and today is day 24 of the series. So you can find the previous videos in a playlist that has been created for you. In this series, I give you a new word every day, its meaning and its usage in different sentences. Apart from that, I also give you the synonyms and antonyms of the given word. So, this series will be beneficial for you since it will help you strengthen your vocabulary and it will also help you if these same words come up in the exams that you are preparing for. So, let us look at today's word. Today's word is ubiquitous. The meaning of the word ubiquitous is present, appearing, or found everywhere. Now, let us look at a sentence in order to understand this word better. So, the sentence says the mobile phone that most ubiquitous consumer electronic appliances is about to enter a new age. So, the mobile phone that is present everywhere or that is found everywhere is going to enter a new age. Now let us look at the synonyms and antonyms of this given word. The synonyms can be omnipresent, universal, or prevalent. The antonyms on the other hand can be rare or scarce. Now let us try to understand this word ubiquitous with the help of हिंदी. सो हम लोग हिंदी यूज़ करेंगे और जो सेंटेंस हमें दिया हुआ था हम उसे हिंदी में ट्रांसलेट करेंगे और इस वर्ड को बेटर अंडरस्टैंड करने की कोशिश करेंगे. The sentence that was given to us was the mobile phone that most ubiquitous of consumer electronic appliances is about to enter a new age. तो सेंटेंस ये कह रहा है कि मोबाइल फ़ोन ऐसा सर्वव्यापी या प्रचलित कंज्यूमर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक अप्लायंस एक नए दौर में एंटर करने जा रहा है. तो यहाँ पर यूबिक्विटस का मतलब है सर्वव्यापी या प्रचलित होना. So guys, we have tried to understand this word ubiquitous in both the languages English as well as Hindi. I hope you liked the session. Please like the session, share it with your friends, and for more such content stay tuned to Oliveboard. Thank you.